Hi everyone, today we have this platform called UseBouncer and this is the best email validation platform. Now, before we begin, you can head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto the platform called Bouncer. And now you can see currently it is an amazing platform if you are looking for lead generation, and the leads are going to be 100% validated since you do not want to be messaging or mailing the people who don't even exist. So there are a lot of spam mails and this type of emails nowadays that are going to be simply wasting your leads. So this is the platform Bouncer that is going to be coming into action and providing you the best email list verification. You can clean your email list with reliable email checker, so it have a really powerful email system, and it is also user friendly that you can verify the list, and clean tools help to maintain your communication and reach out to a real person with ease and promptness. So it is basically a software or platform that is working to validate the emails that they are going to be related to a real person. So it is going to be analyzing the activity that is going on the email address that you're trying to reach out. You can also see the real-time and bulk email verification APIs. You have your toxic city check, and you have deliverability kit. So basically all of these tools are going to be verifying your emails. Now they have different type of testing systems and sampling that they work using the models, and also it have various different integrations that you can go for with and make it even more amazing utilization of the software Bouncer. So yeah, now make sure to give it a try to the platform. Talking about different type of reviews that it has, let me show you. So now you can see a must-have tool. Bouncer is my lifesaver at work, the game changer. So you can give it a try to use Bouncer using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.